Dear children, welcome back to the online class of Sri Gokulam Public School. Last class we started the chapter revenue. Today let's study more about total revenue, average revenue and marginal revenue. As you know, revenue means the income received by the firm through sales. Revenue from output sold. Okay. Revenues are the income received by the firm through sales. That is from the output sold. Total revenue, average revenue and marginal revenue. Total revenue, the sum total of revenue received by the firm through sales. Average revenue, revenue per unit of output sold. That is equal to price. Marginal revenue, addition made to total revenue as a result of the sale of an extra unit. Marginal revenues are the additional revenues. Okay. Total revenue. How can you calculate total revenue? Price into output sold. Average revenue. Total revenue divided by total output sold. Average revenue is equal to price per unit of output sold. Okay. And as you know, marginal revenue means the additional revenues. That is addition made to total revenue as a result of the sale of an extra unit. That we can show through a revenue schedule. That is units of output TR, MR and AR. Various levels of output, total revenue. The sum total of revenue received by the firm. And if you check the schedule, you can see that TR is equal to sigma MR. That is, if you add marginal revenue, you will get the total revenue. You see 10. As it is 10 plus 8, 18 plus 6, 24 plus 4, 28 plus 2, 30 and so on. The rate of change in total is marginal. That is 18 minus 10, 8, 24 minus 18, 6, 28 minus 24, 4 and so on. Average revenue is equal to total revenue divided by total output sold. 10 divided by 1, 10, 18 divided by 2, 9, 24 divided by 3, 8 and so on. Average revenue means total revenue divided by total output sold, or it is equal to price. Price per unit of output sold. That is why we can write average revenue is equal to price. Okay. Now, if we represent this schedule geometrically, we will get TR, AR and MR curves. AR curve is also known as the price line. Okay. Because AR is equal to price. If you plot output and TR, you will get the TR curve. TR curve is an inversely U-shaped curve. Shows that initially it is rising, reaching a maximum, after that it is falling. If you plot output and MR, you will get the MR curve. MR curve, you can see MR diminishing, 0 and negative. MR curve extending to the negative zone. Okay. AR curve. This is the AR curve. If you plot output and AR, you will get the AR curve. Okay. You can see TR is inversely U-shaped curve. MR is downward sloping curve, extending to the negative zone. AR also downward sloping. When TR is maximum, MR is 0. Here you can see AR curve lies below, you can see AR curve lies above the MR curve. MR curve lies below the AR curve. That is, MR is less than AR. Okay. MR is less than AR. From the schedule, it is also clear that When MR diminishes, TR increases at a diminishing rate. When TR is maximum, MR is 0. When the TR started to decline, MR will be negative. That is the specific relationship between TR and MR. Okay? How can we say? TR is the sum total of MR. AR is TR by output. Or you can say TR is equal to price into output sold. Okay? If you know TR, you can calculate MR. If you know MR, you can calculate TR. Okay? The rate of change in total is marginal. Okay? AR is equal to price. And as you know, the geometrically, OX axis what we show? OX axis we show, what we show OX axis? Output, right? OX axis we show output and OY axis revenue. Here TR, AR and MR. Okay? And once again, understand the shape of the curves, revenue curves. TR curve is inversely U-shaped curves. AR and MR are downward sloping curves. Here MR lies below AR. Shows MR is less than AR or AR is greater than MR. Okay? Once again, let me conclude, by observing the relationship between total and marginal. How can you say? When total increases, when total increases, the shape increasing, reaching a maximum and decline. Okay? When MR diminishes, total increases at a diminishing rate. When MR is 0, total is maximum. When MR is negative, total started to decline. Okay? So, like that, observe the specific relationship between TR, AR and MR also. Okay? I hope you follow the schedule and diagram, the shapes of the various revenue curves. Here, remember that AR price, additional units are sold, at a less price. That also you have to see here. Additional units are sold, at a less price. Okay. Additional units are sold at a less price. So, observe the position of AR and MR. MR lies below AR. That is, AR is greater than MR. I hope you follow. Thank you.